Hello, so ito na ang araw ngayon. So as you can see, tanggalin natin tong linya. So volume cell plus volume cell. Then ang confirmation natin is titignan natin yung nasa likod niya. Which is hindi siya volume cell plus volume cell. So which means, ibig sabihin nun mag-enter tayo ng 12 AM ngayon, regardless of the candle, regardless of the formation, with 60% risk. Wait, let me double check if 60% risk. Okay, so 60% risk siya. Up until 2:30. Up until 2:30. Simula dito up until 2:30. I mean 3 AM. Up until 3 AM. Okay, so wait lang natin. Mag-form yung candle up until 12 AM. So we will check from there. Okay, so now preparing for enter here. Magka-close na yung candle at 12. Preparing for enter. So wait lang natin mag-close yung candle. Then we will enter. %61% pala to. 60% lang yan. 60%. Fifteen seconds left. Entering now. Entering now. So let's lock this. Then let's wait for the result. Okay, that's all for a moment. Okay, so tal tayo. Okay, so sunod naman natin yung control. So, ulit, talo tayo. Bakit? So, sinunod naman natin yung confirmation. It's just that faith. It's faith basically. So, as we know, walang 100% confirmation sa market today. So, we're currently nasa low streak tayo. How do we, yun lang kailangan mo natin gawin. How do we handle low streak? So, pointers today, how do we handle low streak? Okay, so, yun lang. So, by faith, sell plus sell, sunod naman natin, nag-enter tayo na 12 a.m. with 60% risk. So, as you can see, talo siya. Then, yun lang, pag-aaral natin yung iba pang parts.